Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have this Kramer Pro rivet gun. Quite a handy little rivet gun. It's got a spanner for removing the rivet heads. It also comes with 4 different rivet heads. So it's got 2.4, and then the 3.2, and then the 4mm, and then finally the 4.8mm. Pretty handy. I'll show you how to change those in just a second. It's got this handle to keep it shut. Got quite a nice riveting action to it. I'll give you a demonstration of riveting without having anything to rivet, but I'll just use a rivet to show you how it works. So here's the rivet. Just slide it in. That's the wrong size. That's a slightly smaller size. And as you see, just pop the rivet in the rivet head like so. And all you have to do, let me get it in shot. Make sure it's all seated down nicely and just give it a firm squeeze. And then up again. Sometimes they pop up like that. All you have to do is pull it back. Obviously normally you'd have something to grip and pull against, but unfortunately this one hasn't, so you just have to crimp it again. And that'll pop off. And normally that would be riveted solid now, but unfortunately because there's nothing between it, it wouldn't rivet. And then to get out the little shaft, all you have to do is pop in a new rivet. Like so. A bit stiff and hard to do on camera, but nonetheless, do a little tap. And then the other rivet just ejects itself at the back there, you see. So to change the heads, it's quite a simple job. You just take this spanner that it comes supplied with, and then you just turn the head you want to remove anti-clockwise, and it'll break it loose, and then all you have to do is just unscrew it the rest of the way. And that'll drop that on the floor, and then you pick the new head you want to pick. I'm going to pick this one down the bottom here. Drop that on the floor, and then just give it a quick squeeze to attract the puller on the inside. And start it off by hand. And then all you have to do is tighten it down like that. That's how you change the heads on it. Quite nice and quite simple. And then you're ready to rivet another rivet. This one in. Give it a firm squeeze, and that would be normally fully riveted, as I said earlier on the other bit. But because there's nothing for it to squeeze against, that will stop there. So my final thoughts on this rivet gun, it's a really handy little rivet gun. You need quite a few spots, inside door panels and alike. Really quite useful. I've used it a fair bit. This is quite a handy thing. They come with its own spanner to remove the rivet, so you can never lose it. I like you've got a little holding hand here. I like the comfort grip handles, so they're very nice and easy to, especially when you put a lot of pressure on it. So yeah, overall, not a bad little rivet gun. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.